God, the complaints about, like, quote-unquote camping. It's annoying.
Unburn it! I'm throwing fucking bomb! Molotov out!
My only complaint was the one dude who
Honestly,
was here
the thing is,
earlier
though,
who was literally sitting in the back of the fucking map.
I know there's
But
people you can tell, like they're in a no-go position, but Mr. Molly, man, he's been like, he'll hold a position if he hears someone, like his situational awareness is up there, and that's why I can respect the Molly plays. But like,
That motherfucker, yeah, like there's no, like he is definitely not camping. That man is sprinting around.
I know,
I'm pretty
but-
sure the only time I've killed him is when he was running around somewhere.
Taking Bravo!
And I gotta hand it to him, the Molotov is the fucking best defensive weapon I've seen yet. That dude just knows how to use them. Oh, he's
just
underneath
killed
Charlie,
Major
looks
Big
like.
with it.
Underneath Alpha.
My bullet's not hitting. I don't know why, bro, but I
Okay,
lined that shit
we
up.
got Bravo!
Aim harder, my guy.
Yeah, where you at, bro? I'm about to game harder right next to you.
Enemy at Alpha! Enemy at Alpha!
Need help on A.
Enemy at Bravo! Charlie secured! We cleared this!
That sucks, so we just switch spawns as soon as I turn around.
They're capturing Charlie, Ilana!
You saw that shit, right?
Did you see it?
I was it.
Oh.
I think
By the
that's
stairs, by the stairs.
the only time someone can laugh about this.
Jeez. These guys are like lazy beams. Shit.
We got Molly Mage on our team.
Oh, we do, yeah. This is,
Get on a dub, boys. There's one on either side of Bravo, one to the left and one to the right.
Taken Alpha! This area!
Fuck. Man,
I'm not seeing what I said, Bob.
we gotta get better.
no, I see it. Fuck, fuck. Molly.
Nice.
Did you get him?
I don't know,
Sounds
but
like you got him. I hear screaming. There's somebody on Alpha. I got Alpha. I'm on Alpha. I'm probably about to die though.
Nice one, we got Alpha!
No, they didn't even come to get me. Look at that.
Shit! Shit! We're losing Alpha! Damn it!
Have I killed anyone yet? 2 people.
Bravo's clear!
It's surprising how effective 2 or 3 kills in the right places.
What's up?
Surprising how effective 2 or 3 kills is, yeah, depending on where you are.
Hey! Oh, changing man!
Enemy on Bravo! Enemy on Bravo! Enemy captured Alpha! Fuck!
What the
We
fuck?
captured Charlie! Shit! We're losing
Some of these
Charlie!
guys have crazy ass reactions.
Oh, fuck! They took Charlie! Give me a second, Yahi!
Quick! Hitting Charlie!
They're on the stairs on the left side.
Yeah, I died right before you said that. That's unfortunate.
Sorry. I think I got stairs. Got stairs.
One down below stairs.
Yeah! Yeah, we secured Bravo! Alpha secured!
Bravo secure! I'm good. I'm uninjured. Loading!
Dropping a Molotov in there.
Using a Molotov!
Where?
I got somebody with it.
Nice.
Enemy is Bravo!
Yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to not use mollies now. Mollies are too fucking OP.
I need to reload!
I died so much it doesn't even tell me who kills me anymore.
Yeah, I don't honestly, like, it does that to me every once in a while, but I don't honestly know why.
Got Charlie!
Molly Mage, no.
Losing Bravo!
I'm about to leave, bro, because I
Thank
swear
you.
to God,
Bravo!
that last death was proof my bullets.
Alpha! Took Alpha!
Step away!
There's one guy in the middle of Bravo. That middle stairway, if you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, somebody got him, never mind.
I'm reloading!
I don't know what the fuck was blocking my bullets there, but that was interesting.
Working on Alpha! Hey! They're taking Charlie! We lost Charlie!
Mage. I know why
Major,
Molotovs
you have to
now. That's just
realize
fucking
we'd be
awesome.
doing so much better if we had guns. This is fine.
If we had what?
Like, if I had a gun, I wouldn't be going 10 and 12. Like, better off that
Honestly,
we're
I
using
think the
mollies.
Molotovs. Are you just using the Molotovs right now?
Yeah,
Are
I'm
you
just
guns?
using mollies. No guns.
I'm using
Like,
a
I'm
gun,
doing
but
good with them, but I'm normally...
like, Molotovs are good. They're definitely
Yeah.
situational though.
Yeah, like, it's fun for me, and I'm not, like,